I'm delighted to be here today to celebrate the launch of Academi Croeso Cymru here at Theatr Clwyd. Academi Croeso Cymru is a bringing together of businesses with academia and learning to secure the future of skills and employability within the tourism and hospitality sector in North Wales. That is part funded by Ambition North Wales and the North Wales Growth Deal.
Today, in the launch of Academi Croeso has just been so exciting. I mean, one, because of all of the tourism and hospitality sector coming together, but also because it's the first event we've been able to host in the foil room, which is one of our new event spaces in this amazing new facility. I think it brings together a load of beautiful things specifically for me in my working life.
It's a fantastic project that genuinely taps in and I think is a vote of confidence in how important the tourism and hospitality sector is for the economy of North Wales.